Isaac Go was the talk of the town for his late-game heroics for Ateneo de Manila University in UAAP Season 80. From his iconic clutch shot versus Far Eastern University in the Final Four to his dagger 3 during their championship game against the de La Salle University, Go made a grand account of himself. However, come Season 81, Go has been having a quiet season offensively. Before Sunday, he only averaged 4.6 points and 4.4 rebounds. But in their latest game versus contender Adamson University, Go had a breakthrough and led Ateneo's offense. He posted his season high of 12 points and 7 rebounds. As usual though, Go deflected all credit to his brothers. As you can see, a lot of my baskets came off, I think, all came from assists. Even though I've shot 20% from the 3, something like that, they don't care, they still find me the ball, Go shared. One of the reasons why Go had a more subtle role this season for Ateneo is the blossoming of his mentee big man Angelo Cowam. It is no secret that Go has been teaching the tricks of the trade to the foreign student athlete from Ivory Coast. But Go was also on the receiving end of a challenge he needs to create for himself too. Coach Tab Baldwin challenged me to produce more. As much as I can do the mentor role, you have to still remember who you are as a player, said the fourth-year player. As much I'd like to teach Ange, you should also contribute yourself. That is the challenge of the coaching staff, produce, give us numbers, find a reason for us to play you more. He delivered in front of a big Ateneo crowd in the Eners Center in Antipolo. Plus, it was against one of the strong contenders in the season, Adamson. We know that Adamson is a really strong team, Final Four contender. They beat us in the first round game. This is a team that has been 3 years down the line under coach Franz Bumeran, and we should expect Kasi 3 years is the gap when you expect the team to blossom, and I think they put up a really good fight, he said. Ultimately, Go thinks that his performance is just a manifestation of Ateneo's next man-up mentality. As you've seen through the course of this season, it has been Ange, it's been Matt, Nieto, it's been 30, Ravina, it's been SJ, everybody. It just so happened that it happened to me today. That is our goal, to not make one individual player glorified, but the whole team glorified, Go said.